I want to start off by saying what God is not. God is not a benevolent deity who who cares for humans, loves humans. God did not make anything for humans. God is not an individual, a being. And there is no afterlife. There is no heaven or hell. There is no supreme justice that happens to the bad people when they die. And there's no infinite reward for the good ones when they die, whatever being good means. And I guess onto that, you could add on that there is no single code of morals. These are what God is not. And yet, I still think that God is real. I still think that there is a God, that there is a deity. I believe that nature is God. That is God. It's the universe. By nature, I don't mean just vegetation. I don't mean, like people, when you say nature, they think of trees and grass, the green stuff. But that's not nature. That's vegetation. Nature is also the glaciers at the North and South Poles. Nature is the ocean. It's the animals. It's the sky. It's the clouds. It's death. Death is nature. It's a part of nature. The universe is a part of nature. Stars, planets, it's all nature. So nature does not just encompass vegetation, but it encompasses everything. And I believe that this is the deity. Many people get confused when I say that the universe is God, because they assume that I'm saying that God is intelligent, that God is conscious, that it's, omnipotent, that it made everything for humans, that humans are a product of the universe specifically, like we are intentional products of life. But this is wrong. This is wrong. The universe is not a God in that sense. The universe is not benevolent. No way is it benevolent. The main cycle of animals is literally killing each other. So it's not benevolent. It does not make things with intention. It's not omnipotent. It's not even conscious. The universe is God because it is the only thing that created itself, that will only die when it decides to, and that we know is real. And furthermore, everything within the universe, all things exist within the universe, and everything is constantly being recycled. Everything from rocks, from stars, gases, dusts, chemicals, organic life, trees, birds, squirrels, bears, humans, everything is being born, it's being created, living, and then dying. And once it dies, it decomposes, it transforms, it recycles, and it turns into something else. And so, because of that constant recycling, because of that cycle of one thing becoming the next, of one thing becoming the next, and the next, and the next, everything is one. Because everything has that single origin, the start of the universe. Because, let's assume the Big Bang was real, right? Because the Big Bang was the beginning of everything, and everything just kept expanding onwards from there. Everything is one. This is why the universe is God. And this is why, by extension, we are also God. We are also the universe. The universe is us, and we are the universe, because everything is one. Because nothing can be separated from the other. The wood that makes this desk and me are essentially the same thing. There is no difference, except physically. At our core, the essence of the wood and the essence of human, the essence of animals, it's all the same shit. Same thing. And so this is why I say that the universe is God. I don't believe that our idea of God should consist of benevolence, that it should consist of, this being who came down and who gives judgment to the humans, who creates a heaven or hell, punishes some people, and then rewards the others based on their level of worship, based on how good they were. But this seems more like the image of a father figure. It seems more like the image of a human, does it not? A human who has morals, who believes things. A human who feels the need to exact justice or to reward somebody, to give gifts. We say that we believe in higher powers, but most times our higher powers are nothing more than reflections of ourselves. We love to assume that we are important, that we are of relevance. And because saying it to ourselves is not enough, we need to gratify ourselves with the belief of something external making us. Because we're uncertain in our existence, because we want to have a justification for living instead of just living, because we cannot find the justification ourselves, we create gods. We make all these deities, we make all these complex religions, we make all these codes. We created entire societies based off religion. All because we were uncertain. All because we could not see the oneness of everything. To put it simply, what is God? It is the universe. It is nature. Nature is God. Nature is everything. And to answer the question of, is God real? Yes, God is real. Just not in the way that you think it is. God is real not because there's a benevolent being. God is real because we're all the same. God is real because there's oneness. And I don't mean just oneness across humans. I mean oneness across literally everything in the universe, everything in nature. It's all the same thing. It's because nature, it created itself, will eventually kill itself. Because we know nature is real. We're experiencing it right now. It is because we have the gift of consciousness. So, that is my belief. That is my answer to the question, what is God? And is God real? That's going to be all for this video, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. Please discuss with me in the comments. I love talking about stuff like this. I love debating with you guys. I love just discussing these types of topics with people. So if you have any questions, if you have any retorts, if you believe that I'm wrong, or if you want clarification with something, please leave a comment down below. I also have a Medium page where I post articles every week. I have been inconsistent for the past few weeks because I was working on a very big essay, but I will be doing weekly articles from here on out. With that, I can conclude this video. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.